So I'm working with a new member. He just came in, and one of his questions was, my betrayal happened so long ago, like over 30 years ago. Shouldn't I be over this already? Here's the thing. Betrayal is a different type of trauma that needs a very different type of protocol to heal. Time won't heal it. A new relationship won't heal it. Healing heals it. So he's done the best he could with the tools and resources he's had available to him. But until and unless you strategically move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough, you're winging it. You're doing, you're doing what you can, and that's good. Like, he saw a therapist, but that therapist wasn't skilled in betrayal, so he was unpacking his story over and over and over again. And I see it all the time. We have so many people who come into the PBT Institute with therapy trauma, the most well-meaning therapists, but if they're not highly skilled in betrayal, or if they don't know the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough, they're unpacking and unpacking and unpacking. And if anything is going to glue you to that stage 3, the most common place we get stuck, it's continuously unpacking your story without a plan to move forward. Because what that's doing is it's revalidating your story, and it's re-traumatizing you. And yeah, you may feel heard, but notice how you feel. Notice how you feel. Do you actually feel better? You'll notice that you may feel your stomach may hurt, your face may get red. You are flooding yourself with the same hormones and chemicals that are doing such tremendous damage over and over and over again. I get it. At first, yes, you need to be heard so that somebody knows what they're working with, whoever you're working with. But then my dog is using her squeaky toy. But then you need to move forward. You need to move to the next stage and the next and the next. So it's not just about revalidating your story. You could have all the validation you need. That's not going to move you to the next stage. You need to move through the stages. We are here to help you. Do not stay stuck in stage 3. It doesn't matter that you've been there 10, 20, 30 plus years. It's time to move forward. You deserve to live a stage 4, stage 5 life, not a stage 3 life. A stage 3 life stinks. So move forward. We're here to help.